Starting the class, please. Now, one pattern question is there for examination. This pattern question coming is, most probably the questions are coming for 11th examination. So first is, when they will be giving you, one pattern question is, tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 5. If they will give you tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 5, once they will be giving tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 5, and then they will be giving that it is lying in fourth quadrant. After that, they will say it lies in fourth quadrant. Find sin x. So this is one pattern question. When they will be giving you a question like tan x is equal to root under minus 1 by root under 5, and they are telling that it is lying in fourth quadrant, then what is the value of sin x? So if they will ask you this question, what you are going to do? Just use the triangle concept and finish it. So since once you are using triangle concept here, this one will become 1 perpendicular, this one will become right root 5. You can say that root 5 square plus 1 square. So it will become root 5 plus 1, it will become root under 6. Understood? So once it is coming as root under 6, Payoja, start solving the question. So sin x value will become what? So sin x value will become minus 1 by root under 6. So direct like this type of questions you will be able to solve. So here this is for the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sin value is negative. So since fourth quadrant, कुछ नहीं होगा बेटा, सब अच्छा होगा और तुम बहुत अच्छा करके आओगे, बात मानो। एग्जाम देने के बाद आके बोलोगे कि मेरा एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा गया। जो मेहनत करते हैं उनके साथ अच्छा ही होता है। कुछ नहीं होगा, यू डिड दिस मच प्रिपरेशन ना, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑलराइट। जस्ट डोंट थिंक टू मच, जस्ट गो फॉर इट। Now look here, second question, Payoja, solve this question. Sin to the power 6a plus cos to the power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a is equal to what? Solve it. Sin to the power 6a plus cos to the power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a will be equal to what? How you are going to solve this question, beta? Just try this question. Sin to the power 6a plus cos to the power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a. How to handle this question? Okay. So when somebody will ask you this part, you just remember this one. It will become sin square a whole cube plus cos square a whole cube plus 3 sin square a into cos square a. So this was the first trigonometry question revision. This was the first question I have revised. Okay, now we went for second question. In second question, this is the question. So what is the question here is sin to the power 6a plus cos to the power 6a plus 3 part. So what is the value after solving this one? What we will do, this part will become, this is a cube plus b cube formula. So it will become sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, and then it will become sin to the power 4a plus cos to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a square a into cos square a. Sin square a into cos square a. This is according to the formula. This is sin square a into cos square a. So this is according to the formula of x cube plus y cube. So it will become x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. So based on this, this part will become 1. So here it is coming as sin square a whole square plus cos square a whole square. And then here we will add 2 sin square a and subtract also 2 sin square a cos square a. And beta already this one is there, that is minus sin square a into cos square a. And outside this is written as 3 sin square a cos square a. So this total part will become what? This part will become sin square a plus cos square a whole square beta. And this total will be added as minus 3 sin square a cos square a. And this part will become plus 3 sin square a cos square a. And this section will become 0. And this part will become 1. So overall answer will come as 1 minus 0. Answer will come as 1. Okay, Kishore, from starting of the chapter trigonometry now. Okay. From trigonometry, starting of the chapter, I will give relation. Sorry, stay. That's next class. I will give relation and function part. Got it. So, beta, first part of the question, if you will be going for what you called trigonometry, then trigonometry section, one type questions are coming. That type question I am going to show you. This is trigonometry one section, identity related questions. Sometimes identity related questions they will ask. So this is the pattern through which identity part we can solve it up. Now look here. If they will ask you in a right triangle, solve this question in a right triangle. So I'm just doing theta is equal to L by R related question. Okay, that is radian to degree measure. So it's starting from the beginning part of the trigonometry, I'm starting giving you important questions. So theta is equal to L by R. One question in 11th class is based on this theta is equal to L by R. That is the beginning section. Okay, radian to degree conversion and degree to radian conversion. So this formula used, some questions will come. Second part question, what it will come beta, ki when they will say that convert degree to radian and radian to degree. So this is one part question from the beginning of the question, from the beginning sections will come. And this formula will be what beta, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is the formula. And based on this formula only the questions are solved. So this is one section. Okay. So now we are going to start with this question. This is based on the beginning section part of the chapter. So the beginning section part of the chapter question is in a right triangle. In a right triangle, in a right triangle between two acute angles, understood? In a right triangle, the difference between the difference between the difference between two acute angles is the difference between two acute angles is pi by 15 radian. Okay, the measure of the smallest angle is okay. So what can be the measure of the smallest angle? Go for it. Try this question. This is the first beginning part question. Your options are 40, 45, 36, 39. Four options I am giving: 40, 45, 36 degree and 39 degree. And your time starts now. Come on, start solving this question, beta. How to solve this question, because they told that in a right triangle the difference between two acute angle is given as 5 pi by 15 degree. So how to attempt this type of question? First, you understand beta what type of triangle it is given. The triangle given here is, if you will check here very nicely, the triangle given here is, check this one out, this is exactly a right angle triangle. Okay, now this is acute angle and this is also acute angle, correct? So beta, if this acute angle is alpha and this acute angle is beta, so now difference between the acute angle is coming as pi by 15, correct? They gave this question part only, but one thing remember, this is already 90 degree, then sum of these two angle will become how much? Because one part is already 90 degree, then sum of these two alpha plus beta will be coming as 90. So here this cancel, it is coming 2 alpha is equal to pi by 15 plus pi by 2. With the help of this, we can be able to get out the measure. Okay. So here it will come 2 alpha is equal to 2 pi plus 15 pi by 30. So it is coming as, check this one out, 15 to the 30. So here it is coming as We will get some space for solving this. It is okay. So here it is coming as alpha will be equal to 17 pi by 60. Correct? 17 pi by 60. Payoja? हाँ, बिकॉज इन दी आंसर बेटा रेडियन टू डिग्री दिया हुआ है ना, तो रेडियन टू डिग्री भी कन्वर्ट कर सकती है। यहाँ पे ये 90 भी कर सकती है, इसको ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकती है। ठीक है, मैं इसको उसी में कन्वर्ट कर देती हूँ। उसके बाद मैं सॉल्व करने वाली थी, बट तुम बोल रही हो तो पहले कर देती हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा। सो यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व करोगे, ये कितना हो जाएगा 180 by 15 degree. So 3 5s are 15, 60. This part will come 12 degree. Okay, that means alpha minus beta is 12 degree. Alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. So 2 alpha is equal to 102 degree. So alpha is equal to 51 degree. So one angle is coming as 51 degree beta. So that is alpha is coming as 51 degree. So 51 minus beta equal to 12 degree. So 51 minus 12 is equal to beta. So 39 degree. So that means what is the correct answer coming here is D, 39 degree. We have to solve like this. Many times students are doing mistake here, and what is the major mistake students are doing beta? And that major mistake part is ki beta, you are doing one mistake, and that is ki second equation how to get. Please remember one thing. Here the triangle is right angle triangle. So since the triangle is right angle triangle, you don't have to put more effort. The remaining acute angle sum will become 90 degree because one angle is already given as 90 degree. Kishore, did you understood beta? एक question को इस तरह से solve कर सकते हो. One question you can solve like this. Okay. Now another question, because beta this type questions will come in examination, means you must be knowing how to attempt this question. Okay. Now another question I'm giving you, please solve this question. This is the first beginning section, that is theta is equal to L by R, degree to radian conversion. These are the two different type of questions they may be asking from you. Okay. The next part of the question is a pendulum swings through an angle of the pendulum swings through an angle of 42 degree. Okay. In describing an arc of length, in describing an arc of length 55 centimeter. Okay. The length of pendulum is easy question. Your options are the length of pendulum they are asking beta. So what can be the length of the pendulum? 56, 60, 75, 88. 56, 60, 75, 88. Come on, go for it, please. Try this question beta. At least try and solve. Paja, try and solve this question beta. See, pendulum swing, when they have given you this question, means this is pendulum. Okay. So theta is equal to L by R, arc length. In describing this degree is coming as 42 degree. Done. After that, what they are telling, a pendulum swing through an angle of 42 degree. In describing an arc of length, L is coming as 55 centimeter. Correct. The length of pendulum is, this is R. Solve it. First, it is given in degree. First, it is given in degree. You have to convert it into radian. Don't try to solve in degree system. Radian means measurement you can be able to find. So, you know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Okay, beta. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So here total 42 degree. So 42 means how much? Pi by 180 into 42. So pi will be coming as how much it is coming as? Pi is, we will keep it as it is 42 degree. So this will become theta angle. So already we know that theta is equal to L by R. Come on, try and solve. Theta is equal to L by R. So theta is equal to L by R. So theta part is coming as 42 pi by 180 is equal to arc length 55 by radius. Radius here will become the length of the string. Okay. So radius will become the length of the string. So R will be written as R is equal to 55 into 180 by 42 pi. 42 pi means 22 by 7. So R is equal to 55 into 180 into 7 by 22 into 42. 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42, 6 3s are 30, 11 2s are 11 5s are 2, 15s are. So here R is coming as 75 centimeter. So radius is coming as how much, beta? Radius is coming here as 75 centimeter. Check this one out. Radius part is coming as how much? 75 centimeter. So like this question, they will not give you a very tough question. Very good, Rudra. That's quick, super. So there, that means what? They will not give you a tough question. They will give you an understanding question, but basic concept must be needed there. So if basic concepts you people are having means you will be able to solve any type of questions in examination. I did nothing. I just first converted degree into radian and solved. Quickly, can we go for the next level questions, beta? So one part question will come like this. Another part questions will come when trigonometric functions will be solved. Okay. Now here, one question I am giving you, this is a basic question for 11th standard. Let's see how many of you are understanding and able to solve. But the question is, which is incorrect? You have to identify incorrect. Which is incorrect? You need to check the options and give the answer. Which part is incorrect? Yes, 75. Correct, Rudra, Kishore. Both of you are absolutely correct, beta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 5. This is first option. Cos theta is equal to 1. Next one is secant theta is equal to 1 by 2. And tan theta is equal to 20. You have to identify which one is incorrect. Come on, go for it. You have to identify which question answer is incorrect. So Rudra, okay, she found an answer. She's telling C is the correct answer. C is the answer which is not correct here. Okay, baki rest other it is correct. What about others? Anybody any having? C, very good. Why? Because we know one very important thing, that is when we are drawing the minima and maxima of sine theta and cos theta, sine theta and cos theta value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1. Got it? So this is the value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So will indeed minus 1 to plus 1 include the boundary region? Now tan theta and cot theta value belongs to set of all real numbers. So 100% correct. But if somebody will ask you about secant theta and cosecant, so two trigonometric ratios here, the remaining two trigonometric ratios will be what, beta? This is secant theta and cosecant theta. Range is coming with a minus 1 to 1, but here it is different. For secant theta and cosecant theta, it is all values, but the answer will never come between minus 1 to 1. But here secant theta value is given as 0.5, and 0.5 comes between minus 1 to plus 1. 0.5 comes between minus 1 to plus 1, which is not possible. So 100% this is the answer. Understood? Because they asked which of the answer is incorrect. I hope everybody understood this one. Always remember, for 12th it will be very much needed. Sin theta, cos theta, minima, maxima including minus 1 plus 1. Tan theta defined for all real number, cos theta defined for all real number. That means tan theta, cos theta defined for open interval minus infinity to closed open interval plus infinity. Means any value can come. and secant theta and cosecant theta comes beta minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity beta. This you remember always. Okay. Now let's solve one question beta. I'm giving you one question. Please try to solve. If for real, if for real value of a, cos x is equal to a plus 1 by a, then x is an acute angle. Okay. X is obtuse angle. X is right angle. Okay. No value of x is possible. Come on, go for it, beta. Cos x is equal to a plus 1 by a. I will explain this one very nicely. I will explain in my own terms. So please, first you just think what can be the expected answer for this. After that, I will explain you what can be the answer here. Just think what can be the answer here. Try anyone. No problem, beta. Trying at least you will try. That is also enough. So at least try once. Very good, Rudra. And can you give me the explanation for it? See, look here. I will be explaining. Rudra, you're absolutely correct, beta. Now look here. How this is possible? Why she told that the answer is D. Okay. Now I am explaining it in Pyoja also telling D. I am explaining all of you how to solve this question. Now look here, beta. We know now that cos x lies between -1 to +1. Minima is -1 including -1. Maxima is 1 including 1. Correct? Okay, till here everybody knows that ki maxima and minima is -1 and 1. Okay. Rudra, very good. Absolute beta, super. So when you write a plus 1 by a, first thing is that ki a should be strictly greater than 0 here. Understood? A should be strictly greater than 0. Because beta, if it will become 0, it will become a plus infinity and it will come if in case a will become equal to 0, then what will happen? It will become 0 plus 1 by 0 and 0 plus 1 by 0 is infinity. So this is not possible because sine, cos and sine are trigonometric, that is that type of trigonometric functions whose values comes between -1 to +1. Okay, so that means a should be strictly greater than 0. Then whatever angle you will put, the minimum value of cos will give you -1 and maximum value will give you +1. So when cos will be -1, check nicely. When cos x value is given as -1, so what it will become? -1 -1. It will become -2. So if for any angle, correct now? So here -2. It is not possible. For what angle x you can get -2? Not possible. For if you will put here 1 plus 1 also, here if you put 1 means it is coming as 2. That means a plus 1 by 2 is greater equals, it is greater. This part is coming either greater or equal to 2 for any angular value. So this is violating the rule that cos x is lying between -1 to +1. So no value of x is possible if this is given. And that's the absolute part. Very good, Rudra. Very nicely explained. So everyone, please understand this one. Cos x, again I am saying the value lies between -1 to +1 beta. So that means what? Minimum value -1. So let's take a value as -1. It is a should be greater than 1 I am taking. Less than also I am taking means not possible. So if I am taking a greater than 1, so here a greater than 1 means 1 I am taking. Sorry, a greater than 0 means 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. So cos value never lie greater than 1. That is still possible. Less than part I am checking. Then it is coming as -2. Cos never goes to the left of -2. So this angle itself is not possible. That's it. Now next question. Are you all ready, beta? So now let's see. This one understood. Come on, say. If you have understood, Payoja understood, beta. Ki what is the basic logic behind it? Now another one question is there, beta. This question na in 12th also important, in 10th, 11th also. One part is important for competition and all. I need to ask one question from all of you. Just answer me, huh? After that, we will understand what is the thing. Now, which one is correct? Which is correct? So this is your examination point of view, only MCQs I'm giving from trigonometry part. Revision started because now 10th board exam is over. So once nothing will happen, beta. Tomorrow you are going to win and come. Don't worry about it. Now 10th exam today, tomorrow it is going to be over. Now 11th you will have 2 to 3 hours revision for your examination. Okay. So from tomorrow itself, I'm starting revision for 2 to 3 hours. Get ready for it, please. So now look here, which is correct. Rudra, you just tell me the timings, beta. Sine 1 degree is greater than sine 1. Is this correct? Second one is sine 1 degree is less than sine 1. Okay. Next one is sine 1 degree is equal to sine 1. Next one, sine 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 sine 1. But think very particularly and then answer the question. Kuch nahi. You will be doing very good. Don't worry. You'll be doing super and coming back with a victory. After that, you itself is telling, ma'am, it was very easy. You did well. Now look, beta. Rudra, very nice. So why you choose Rudra that sine 1 degree is greater than sine 1? Super concept. Super beta. Well done. But how this is possible? How this is possible? Because one simple concept we know that in degree system, 1 degree is always less than 1 radian. Understood? And 1 radian is always less than pi by 2. Then all work over. So sine 1 is coming in radian. Understood? And this is in degree. Very good, beta. So always we must have this one pick point here. That degree is lesser than radian. So 1 degree is less than 1 radian and 1 radian is less than pi by 2 because it is pi by 2 radian. It is in pi by 2 radian. This is one part of the radian and this is pi by 2 radian. So 100% 1 degree will be less than sine 1 because it is in radian system. Okay, so this is in radian system. Thank you so much, beta. So this is radian system. So 1 degree is less than sine 1. And this is very, very important part, in any concepts, in any examination, this part is most important and never forget about this, that 1 degree is less than this and this one is less. So these both are in radian system, beta. And this is exactly in degree system. So shall we go for the next question, please? So this is one pack question, beta. Now one question is there. You need to just check, will you be able to solve this question or not? Okay. So now let's get ready for it. This type questions. I think this type questions you will be able to solve. See, the value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree till tan 89 degree. Beta. Just tell me what is the value. Your options are, what could be the expected value? 0, 1, half, and not defined. Understood? Come on, go for this question and try and solve this question. Just try to solve this question and check, is it coming, what is the expected. Tan 1 is there now. I can write tan. If tan 1 is there, then what I can write, the moment I will be taking it into, tan 1 can be written as tan 90 minus 1. Okay, and this part will become tan 90 minus 2 till tan 45 degree. Rest of the tan 46 degree to tan 89 degree, you keep it as it is. So this will become cot 1 degree. This one will become cot 2 degree. Tan 45 is 1, and here it is tan 46 degree, tan 47 degree till tan 89 degree. Now cot 1 will become what, beta? 1 by cot 89. This part will become cot 89, and here 90 minus 2 will become 88. So here cot 89, and here 1 by tan cot 88 will become tan 88, and then here this part will be just reverse now. So every denominator part, it will come 1 by tan 46 degree, then here tan 1 multiplied tan 46 degree, tan 47 degree till tan 88 degree, tan 89 degree. So this cancel, this cancel. Here tan 47 degree means all will cancel. Answer will come as 1. I hope you might have understood. So answer, because beta complementary, tan and cot is complementary. So tan 90 minus 1 will become cot, and cot reciprocal is tan. So it will cancel, and once cancel will come, overall answer is coming as 1. I hope you might have understood this one. So these questions I am giving from NCERT exemplar parts from MCQ point of view, beta, so that you people will be able to solve. So one question I told you in the beginning itself, like they will ask you some complementary sections and they will ask you this type questions, not big part. Now I'm going to ask some question. You are from ICSC board, okay? ICSC board, beta, I think they're more advanced than CBSE. Their syllabus is very advanced. In junior classes itself, they are talking about graph and everything. Now, beta, one question is there. I'm asking you this question. Will you be able to solve graph of? So I'm going second part, Kishore. Graph of f of x is equal to sine 2x is symmetric. It is symmetric about what? Just check this one out. First one, about y is equal to 0. Second part, about x is equal to 0. Third part, beta, in opposite quadrant. Fourth part is about y is equal to x. This question is your question. Think sine 2x. At the time of teaching graph, I have explained it very nicely. Let's see what is your expected answer. Try solving this question, beta. You are from CBSE. Good. Try this question. हेलो, हाँ, निशिका आ रही है? So now what is the correct answer, beta? So about y is equal to 0. This is a question. Very good. So Shilpa D. Ram has given answer C in opposite quadrant. Very good. You nailed it. But can you be able to tell me why this is in opposite quadrant? What is the meaning of opposite quadrant? It is symmetric about opposite quadrant. So graph y is equal to sin x. If somebody will be giving you sin x means you can say that it is coming like this. So when sin 2x will be there, it will just shift near to that part. Very good. But here, whenever somebody will ask you, it is symmetrical. Symmetrical means the symmetry alignment will be coming. So definitely it will be coming in opposite quadrant. Correct only. So in opposite quadrant only it will come symmetry. Got it? Yes. Odd function, even function. Super. Now we are going to go for the next part. Now, which one is true? Let's check this one out. Which of the following is true? Okay. Which of the following is true? First is cos x is greater than sin x. Cos x is greater than sin x when x value lies between 0 to pi by 4. Second is cos x is less than sin x when it is coming between 0 to pi by 4. I think you people will be able to answer this question very easily. Cos x, this part, when it is coming between pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Bingo question, very easy question. Directly we can have SS for it. Last part is tan x. Check this one out. Cos x is greater than sin x for pi by 4 to pi by 2. Understood. So which one is exactly correct? Go for it, please. Come on, come on, come on, try this question. Third one, I think I have given reason wrong. 0 to pi by 2. Now I have changed. Come on, go for it, please. Like this question coming means it will take time. It is lagging. No, it is not lagging. Try. Very good. Yes. So whenever you are going for quadrant and all, you know that sine and cos is complementary. This is 11th class. So now look at this. So here now increasing and decreasing is totally dependent on totally dependent on the quadrant values. So when you are going from 0 to 45 degree, 0 to 45 degree, 100% this one will be greater than sine x, because one is increasing, one is decreasing. So 0 to 45 you will be expecting a greater value. Check this one out. With a 10th class, more videos are there. Everything we have finished in 10th class. Okay. So now this section is the correct answer. Absolutely correct, because here it is increasing. At 45, it will be exactly going to intersect each other. So this is not going to be at 45. They both are equal. At 45, the case will not be same. Here, when you will be taking 0 to 90, 100% they will be changing. So because they both are complementary, so it is not going to work. Here also between 45 to 90, this one will be going high. So because of that, this 3 is not correct. This part is correct between 0 to 45 because it is increasing. I hope you might have understood this one. We'll go for the next question. The next question is, come on, go for it. So beta sine and tan na different type of formulas are there. So when that formulas when you will be using, so like one time I'm reminding you the formulas. Sine of a plus b, it will become what? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, and then sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So these are the formulas already you have studied. Okay. Now cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Okay. And then cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. This is the four formulas are there. Okay. Another formulas, if somebody will be writing in that format, let's just check this one out. So these formulas in the remaining questions we are going to use. Tan of a plus b also formula, one time reminding you people. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So because these are basic 6 formulas which are exactly used. Understood? So now we are going to solve some of the questions. Just solve this and tell the answer. The first question is, what is the value of, like this question they're asking more, this pi by 4 plus theta minus cos pi by 4 minus theta is, what is the value of this? Your options are 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta, 1 and 0. And your time starts now. Come on, go for it. What expected answers you are exactly thinking about this question? What can be the answer of this question, beta? You see here sine of pi by 4 plus theta, and here sine of pi by 4 minus theta is there. So how, very good, Seema. Answer you have told C. Let's see. So now look at beta. Sine of A plus B formula will be what, beta? Sine pi by 4 into cos D plus cos pi by 4 into sine D. Okay. Now minus, it will become cos pi by 4 into cos D plus sine pi by 4 into sine D. Sine theta. So here this one will become cos theta by root 2 plus sin theta by root 2 minus cos theta by root 2 minus sin theta by root 2. 0. So answer is coming as 0. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. So here you have to solve, you have to put the formula and then You have to check this one out. So this answer is coming when you will be putting sin A cos B plus cos A cos B. So cos A minus B formula is cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. The moment you will be substituting, you will be getting this answer. I hope you might have understood this one. Shall we go for the next question, please? This is another part questions from trigonometry chapter. Now, another part question I'm giving you. Just check this one out. The question here is, this is not the value question. That is tan theta is equal to, tan theta value is given as 1 by 2 and tan phi value is given as 1 by 3. Okay, then what is the value of theta plus phi? Come on, try this question. Theta plus phi. Your options are, what is the value of theta plus phi? Your options are, check this one out beta, one time try, pi by 6, pi, 0 and pi by 4. Chalo, try this question. Can I solve or you people will try to solve? Now look here, simple formula is there. We are going to apply that formula and solve. So tan of theta plus phi means what beta? It will become tan theta plus tan phi by 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. So what is the value of tan theta? 1 by 2. What is the value of tan phi? 1 by 3. Let's substitute there. So here tan theta plus phi equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So cross multiply will do 3 plus 2 by 6. Here 6 minus 1 by 6. So here it will become 5 by 6 into 6 by 5. Cancel. So answer is coming as 1. So what we got beta? We got tan theta plus phi is equal to 1. So when we will shift this one here, it will become tan theta plus phi is equal to tan inverse 1. And beta, you know that tan inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 4. So theta plus phi is equal to tan pi by 4. So answer will come as D. That is pi by 4. Easy. Able to solve. Rudra understood how to solve this question. They have given trigonometric ratios. They are just willing you to get the answer in the form of angle. So angle they are actually asking here, and the angle part is coming as what? It is coming as theta plus pi is equal to pi by 4. So shall we go for the next question, please? Now let's see how to solve another question. So some trick part questions are there. You need to solve. If it is done means we will go for the next question. Now beta, next question given to you is कि alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Now you have to find the value of, then the value of 1 plus tan alpha, 1 plus tan beta will be what? 1, 2, minus 2, not defined. What can be the expected answer? Try this question. They gave this one. Try this question at least. Come on, go for it. Try this question. Can I solve? No answer? Okay, I am going to solve. So this is not a tough question. See, beta, in the answer, if you will be checking very nicely, you see they have given 1 plus tan alpha, 1 plus tan beta. Okay. So what work we are going to do is, that means something is connected with tan. So we have to bring everything in the format of tan. Then our answer will be achieved. So what work we will do? We will write tan of a plus b is equal to tan pi by 4. Done. So now beta here what we will do, it will become tan of A plus tan of B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to 1, because tan pi by 4 value is 1. So once you have written tan pi by 4 value as 1, now you multiply this one with this, it will become tan A plus tan B is equal to, this will go 1 minus tan A into tan B. Done. Everything is exactly now in front of you. Everything is present here. What we are going to do? Tan A, this one will come plus tan A into tan B. This part is coming as 1 now. So now 1 we have shifted there and this part is coming. So now you check 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B in multiplication they are needing. Understood? So when you are checking this part, 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B in multiplication they are needing. Yeah. What is the problem with you? Hmm. Okay. So now look here. This part is there, na beta. So what work we are going to do? Because they asked this part. So we will be writing tan A plus tan B is there. Now here it is 1. Correct? It is in multiplication. So what work we will do? We will take tan A common. So it will become tan A. If we are taking tan A common, what it will become? 1 plus tan B. Now here only tan B is there and this side 1 is there. We will do one small work. We will add here 1 and this side also we will add 1. So here it is coming as tan A 1 plus tan B and here 1, it will become tan B plus 1 is equal to 2. So this part it is coming as tan A plus 1 and here it is coming as 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. That means multiple of these 2 is giving us 2. B is the answer. Understood? B is the answer. So if you will solve like this, you will get the answer. Ishrat, answer sheet at least send beta. Then only I'll be able to know how much you are knowing. I hope you people have understood how to solve this question, beta. I did nothing. I just applied tan on both sides. After application of tan on both sides, tan 45 value is coming as 1. I shifted this part this side. After shifting, I shifted this part this side. Now all the three are together and one is written separately. But this was not sufficient for me to convert it into multiple parts. So what I did, I added 1 on both the sides. Then I took tan A common, it is coming 1 plus tan B. 1 common I took 1 plus tan B. So tan A plus 1, tan B plus 1 is equal to 2. I hope everybody understood how to solve this question. And the answer is option number B. I hope everybody understood. So one last question I'm giving you people. Come on, go for it. Are you ready for it? Question is, this last one question, go for it. Tan alpha is equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta. These are all NCERT exemplar questions, beta. Many times exemplar questions are coming in exam. So 2m plus 1. Now what tan alpha plus tan beta value given? Then they are telling again alpha plus beta is equal to what? Again they are asking this question. So that means alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Just now we solved one pattern question. Na? So alpha plus beta is equal to 1. They have given the option A, B, C and D. Your options are pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 6 and pi by 4. So what is the expected answer? Again we will do the same thing. We will write tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, formula wise we will write tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Like these questions are coming very oftenly in examinations, specifically from MCQs of trigonometry. So this part will come m by m plus 1 plus 1 by 2m plus 1 by 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2m plus 1. So here cross multiply 2m square plus m plus m plus 1 by m plus 1, 2m plus 1. This one will multiply. It will become m plus 1, 2m plus 1 minus m by m plus 1, 2m plus 1. This and this will get cancelled. Correct? So next what we will do, beta? That is tan alpha plus beta is equal to, this section will be coming as 2m square plus 2m plus 1 by, here we will multiply beta, it will become 2m square plus 2m plus m plus 1 minus m. So this and this will get cancelled. Again you see tan alpha plus beta is equal to 2m square plus 2m plus 1 by 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Cancel. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to tan inverse 1 and alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. So again option is coming as D here, pi by 4. I did nothing with one simple technique I have applied and the technique only helped. So tan alpha plus, I just alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus beta given, value substituted, means formula used. After that value I substituted tan alpha and tan beta value and just did simplification. Last part reverse to get the angle and alpha plus beta is coming as pi by 4. I hope this was the first session where we have given revision. So next session again, I'm going to ask some questions related to trigonometric functions and formulas. Okay. One time linear inequalities I will discuss because in 12th class linear inequalities are very, very important. Okay. Payoja, Rudra, Seema, those people who are present right now. Fine. Good night, Kishore. I hope Satya is also there in the group. Siddharth is also present. So good night all of you, beta. Huh? Session over. Go enjoy. Good night. Bye bye.